In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you have accidentally deleted your chats on WhatsApp and now you want to recover them but you don't have a backup as well, then what you have to do is to click and hold on this WhatsApp logo, go to app info, now go to storage and cache and then click on this clear cache option. Once you have done that, close settings and open your file manager. Go to all files, then click on internal storage, Android, media, scroll down and click on com.whatsapp, select WhatsApp. Now go to databases, select all these files, then click on copy, go back to the previous folder, then go to backups and paste all those files here. And that's it. Once you have done that, your deleted messages on WhatsApp will be recovered without backup. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.